So today we'll be learning to play our first chord called C. So let's get started. You look at the tab of the C chord, it looks like this. The name of the chord or the root is above the picture of the tab. The dot means to put your finger down there, and the 3 means to play with your third finger. All right, so before we get started, let's learn to name the fingers of your fingering hand. It could be your left hand or your right hand, whatever hand's going to be pressing down the strings. All right, so take your fingering hand and let's label it. The thumb is going to go behind the neck, so we're not going to give it a number. Let's wiggle the finger 1, 2, 3, 4. Learn to move them independently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mix it up. 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4. So if you need to review, go ahead and go back and review that section. So to play your C chord, you're going to take your third finger, 1, 2, 3, and remember your string names, G, C, E, A, or number them 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take that third finger, put on your A string, your first string, the 3rd fret, so count 1, 2, 3, right in between those fret bars, and you're going to press it down hard. Thumb goes behind the neck, and you're going to strum down. You can strum down using your pointer finger, you can use your thumb, whatever finger feels comfortable. All right, and hold it up under your arm this way, just really comfortable and relaxed. Just do a down strum and practice that C chord down, 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 down. All right, does that feel comfortable? All right, shake out that hand. Let's see if you can find that C chord again. So take your third finger, 1, 2, 3, bottom fret, bottom string, 3rd fret, down, 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 down. All right, so that's your C chord, and stop. All right, let's make that C chord a little more interesting. Let's do different patterns. So let's do our down, 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 down. All right, so we've got that first pattern, and stop. Let's do a second pattern. It's going to go down, up, down, up, down, up. So it goes down, up, down, up. Join in along with me. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and stop. All right, let's do another pattern. It's down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down. Join in. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Stop. All right, and let's do another pattern. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Join in. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and stop. All right, let's do another pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Another pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Join in. All right, and one more pattern. Rest is silence. Rest, down, up, 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 rest, down, up. Let's apply it to the song now, the C chord, and row, row your boat. So we're going to use a down strum to start off with. Ready? Down, down. And with the song, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yep, another pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 successful with your first chord C. If anything was difficult, go back and review and practice at your own pace. All right, great job, everyone.